Port Arthur, a city in southeast Texas, a refinery town, a blighted symbol of America's better days. Port Arthur is many things to many people. In an objective sense, it's an industrial city that struggles with the changes in the American and global economy, energy policy, demographic shifts, and chronic social and economic issues. Once one of the shining stars of the Gulf Coast, it now bobs along tied to the fossil fuel industry and struggles to adapt to those changes. Yet, for many of us, Port Arthur is yet another thing. It was home. For some of us, it was where we were born and raised, having never lived anywhere else. For others, it was where we grew up until we could get out. Some of us were part-timers, not raised there, but bound by geography or family. Regardless of our circumstances, we were indelibly shaped by the region and connected in some way with the common experience that helped bind us together. Port Arthur may be described as a big small town. While not everyone knew everyone else, there is a good chance when meeting strangers, the two of you knew people in common. Our childhoods were filled with simple pleasures, friendly neighbors, and few cares of today's problems. Our identity was shaped by common experiences and rituals, from watching ships at the seawall, crossing the Rainbow Bridge, or games at TJ. This gave us a sense of identity and belonging to the Golden Triangle, a connection with others from the area, even on our first meeting. Port Arthur today is in many ways a different place than it was in the past. Change is inevitable. We just hope that some of the good that was in the place can continue to move forward and shine through. This video tries to capture some of those places and memories we all shared. Still, some brightly shine today. Some are faded. Others are lost to time and now shine only